Good morning, it's Federico Bentley from Ayondo Markets giving you this morning's market update. This morning we start by looking at the European markets, with the UK 100 rollings 91 points lower, the France 40 rollings almost 83 points lower, and the Germany 30 rollings around 166 points lower in this morning's trading. Yesterday evening, the Fed decided to hold interest rates at their current target range of between 0.25% and 0.5% in a dovish statement which put some life into the US stock markets. Despite being weighed down by the aftermath of results at Apple, the S&P 500 managed to climb by 0.2% yesterday, and the Dow Jones added around 0.3%. The Bank of Japan surprised Asian markets in the early hours of this morning by deciding not to cut interest rates any further than their current level of minus 0.1%. The Nikkei 225 plunged 3.3% after the announcement, eroding gains made since the beginning of last week. Now looking elsewhere at the banking industry, Lloyds Banking Group has posted a 6% drop in profits during the first quarter, beating analyst expectations. The figures provide a welcome boost for George Osborne, who has made no secret of his hopes to sell off the final tranche of government shares in the bank. Looking at the figures, pre-tax underlying profits at Lloyds came in at £2.1 billion in the 3 months to 31st March, down 6% from £2.2 billion in the same period last year. Profits after taking account of restructuring costs, conduct provisions, write-offs because of market volatility, tax and everything else not deemed, underlying dropped by 44% to £531 million. Total income slipped back by 1% to £4.4 billion, while costs also came down by 1% to £2.1 billion. Underlying profits per share dropped from 2.3p in the first quarter of 2015 to 1.9p in 2016. The bank's loan-to-deposit ratio remained unchanged at 109%, and its net interest margin climbed from 2.6% to 2.74%. Now looking at some other corporate news, WPP's revenue climbed 10.5% to £3.1 billion in the first quarter. Taylor Wimpey increased the value of its order book by 16.6% to £2.2 billion in the first quarter. Revenues dropped by 17% at Greco in the first 3 months of this year, and Facebook bucked the trend for the US tech giants by posting a bumper set of first quarter results. Now looking at some key data out and focus today is at 10 a.m. where the Eurozone business confidence for April, and again the Eurozone consumer confidence for April, and over in the US at 1:30 p.m. we have GDP figures for the first quarter. That's all for today's news, so thank you very much for listening and all the best on your day's trading.